going to work out N, and I'm being given the other parameters. So I say 10,000 plus minus, it's my present value, and 20,000 is my future value. And I've got to initialize the payment. 0 payment. Supposing my interest rate is 10% like before, 10 IYR, it is once per year. And then I want N, and I just call up N loss, 7.27. So whatever you want, you always type in lost. But everything else must be declared in advance, right? This is an example of compound interest. So let's take an example involving in annuities. When do we use the payment in annuities? Because the payment is regular repetitive payments. So let's clear, second clear, because I'm now going to do with annuity. So supposing this person is paying 1,000 Rand every month. So 1,000 Rand plus minus, sorry,
I managed to change the tape.